Hey everyone, welcome to another Hyundai showroom walkaround. I'm Gian, your host and your product specialist, and this is the all-new 2022 Hyundai Tucson, a multi-purpose SUV for the multifaceted life. The Tucson has been completely revamped with a dramatic new design, an impressive set of safety and technology advancements, roomy comfort, and dynamic capabilities. Now, the Tucson has been part of Hyundai's award-winning SUV lineup for quite some time now. But the 2022 Tucson expands on that lineup in some exciting new ways. For the first time ever, the Tucson will be available in 3 new options. For those seeking efficiency, Hyundai's launching Tucson Hybrid and Tucson Plug-in Hybrid. For those wanting sport performance, Tucson N-Line is headed your way soon. Now, the 2022 Tucson will be arriving in dealerships in 2021. And here today, we have a pre-production model to give you a sneak peek of the exciting new features in this ultra-versatile, ultra-modern SUV. Now, of course, we have to start up front with its striking new design on its much bigger body and its bold, confident stance. LED daytime running lights seamlessly hidden inside of that cascading front grille, only visible once you turn them on. Sporty 17-inch or 19-inch alloy wheels. Body color side mirrors with turn signal indicators, side panels featuring strong lines and chiseled wedges, LED taillights with their striking graphic design, and an LED strip across the entire back. Now, for convenience, you're going to have your hands-free smart liftgate with auto open. Rear seats you can conveniently fold down using the release located here in the cargo area. Now let's talk about performance. Remember, the Tucson will be available in both a hybrid and plug-in hybrid powertrains. H-Track all-wheel drive, which will be optional on the gas engine model and standard on your hybrid and plug-in hybrid. 8-speed automatic transmission with Shiftronic. Now the hybrid and plug-in hybrid is going to have a 6-speed automatic transmission. 4 different drive modes to select from: your Eco, your Smart, your Comfort, and your Sport. And a much more powerful and efficient 2.5-liter GDI 4-cylinder engine. Now, when it comes to technology, Tucson conveniently takes that to a whole new level, starting with remote smart park assist. This allows the Tucson to park itself without you even being in the vehicle. That's right, press and hold a button on your key fob allows the Tucson to drive forward or in reverse in or out of a parking space. Hyundai's digital key allowing you to transform your smartphone into a key fob, or you can use your digital key card. Simply place it next to the door to unlock, use it to start the vehicle, and you can even send your digital key to your friends or family members on their Android smartphones. Now let's check out the interior. On first glance, you see a layout that's wide and expansive and well refined. A streamlined dash, and some advanced upgrades everywhere, starting with dynamic voice recognition, allowing you to use your voice to control the temperature, locate the nearest gas station or cafe, and so much more. A 10.25-inch digital cluster. Blind spot view monitor, which gives you a live camera feed of your blind spot while you're driving, right there in your instrument cluster. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto when you have the 8-inch touchscreen display. A 10.25-inch touchscreen with navigation. Premium Bose speakers, wireless device charging, and of course 3 years complimentary of BlueLink, Hyundai's connected car service. Now with all the modern touches you've got in here, of course Hyundai hasn't forgotten about your comfort. Your steering wheel is leather wrapped and heated, leather seating surfaces, dual automatic temperature control, 8-way power front seats that are heated and ventilated, and of course, your beautiful panoramic sunroof. The design is all-inclusive and striking, and the same thing can be said about its advanced SmartSense safety features and convenience features. Now, it's like an extra set of eyes with all the cameras and sensors keeping you and your passengers safe. Forward collision avoidance assist with pedestrian detection, cyclist detection, and junction turning. Lane keeping assist, lane following assist, smart cruise control with stop go, highway drive assist, blind spot collision avoidance assist, ultrasonic rear occupant alert, safe exit warning, parking distance warning, rear cross traffic collision avoidance assist, and parking collision avoidance assist. And of course, since it's a Hyundai, it's backed by America's best warranty. A 10-year or 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, a 5-year or 60,000-mile new vehicle limited warranty, a 5-year unlimited miles, 24-hour roadside assistance, and 3 years complimentary of maintenance, which includes your oil changes, tire rotations, and multi-point inspections. Now, Hyundai also creates its own advanced high-strength steel, which is lighter and stronger, increasing both performance and safety. Now, the all-new Hyundai Tucson is still, of course, the kind of multi-purpose SUV so many customers have counted on for years. But along with this dramatic redesign and all the tech, you'll have those new Tucson options, the hybrid, the plug-in hybrid, and the sporty N-Line. Altogether, it's proof that a compact SUV can give you capability, style, safety, and choices for the type of efficiency and performance that's perfect for you.